So I will forget to recording this. So I have started the recording now. So what I have done, I have uninstalled again. I have removed your command, right? Right. If you want, you can remove this command also. No need of this also, because I know this is the programming. It is there. If I will run this, what is going to be happen? So it will work, because I know that this is this. Oh, because I am using the F command, that's why it is asking. If I will go with N, means installation is completed, right? So if I can write this, so it should be better. Later I am going to show you, no need of going for .NET framework. Earlier time they are using that. So now all command list you import. If it is not there, direct work on this. Got it? So now also it is installed, no doubt. So I'm going with nobody is talking. Okay, so I'm going with next programming.
QB means
1 second. You are talking about this one, right? QN,
basic.
QB. The QB is your basic UI. If you are giving F, means it will come for full. If you are going to give with N, means there will be no UI will come. So if you want to go with more detail, I have given this link. Copy this link, go to the Google and searches. There will be multiple option will come for that. I have given just one or two, just for your understanding purpose. Okay, so now what we are going to do, just 1 second, be in hold, I am coming. So now what we are going to do, we are writing one script to stop the all SQL services, right, in your computer. So this is the basics. Maybe this will not going to help you, but whenever from here only our base will start. So just example. So now I am taking one more. So yesterday we have gone through the get services, right? When we are writing get hyphen services. So what we are getting, so all which are the services is there, that all services will come, right? In that, if you want to filter, I have shown you, we can go with where object, and then we can type it, right? So this way. So there is one more way, which one we are going to follow, but now we are going to write some script. What we are going to write, just simple script, 2 line of script, and then later this 2 line of script only we are going to make 10 lines or 100 lines. So what we are going to do, we are just checking where it is, services.msc. We are checking, we are taking any SQL server. Just I have taken example of this SQL server. If this server, I will make it stop. So what is this? We are going to write, if that this services is not running, go and start this services. That is for one server I have written, very small script. So how we can implement this? So I'm taking one variable now, dollar. They're giving $1 status, any variable, you can take A, B, whatever you want. You can write get hyphen services, and I'm giving services name as this name. Very basic thing. I'm hard coding this, but later you are going to learn in that real-time example. Nobody is going to give you this name, right? All are going to give the SQL server name, means host name / your instance name, or they will give the host name. Either stop the all services in this host, or either go and stop this services, means in this host, what are the SQL is running, they will give in that fashion, right? Correct. But real time, but now I am going to write this name only, because later I am going to explain you, once the requirement will come, like this is the server / instance name, or somebody is giving this is the server name, so go and stop that all services in this server, or go and stop these services for the instance. So like that only real time will come. So later I am going to show you how, if somebody has pinged you in this fashion, this name only people will give you, right? How to convert this to this. Later classes I will explain you. Now I am taking this name, service name. So if you are right, I have taken one variable and I have written this. So just see here. So if I'm writing direct, it taking one variable, and if I'm not writing get services, So what is it this going to be stored? It is stored this value, only this much of value, whatever it is there. If I will go and type status, and if I will run this, the value of this, whatever we have passed from it, it is going to save. But if I'm giving the get services, and then if I am running this, what is going to be happen now? So this time for these services, because get services, what are these services will be there, that all detail is going to be saved here, right? Now it is saying this is stop, this is SQL Server 2012. Sure, no doubt. So because I have written get services, so this variable is not stored. So get services means, so if I will run this much get services, so this value is going to be stored in this, right? So be sure. So people will do this kind of mistake. So got it? So I have written this. So what I am writing, I will writing if. Now I can filter dollar status, correct? Dot status, because that is from all value which is stored here. In this we are going to filter status. If the status is equal to what? Stop. Stopped, right? What it has to do? If statement, if you want, you have to declare in this fashion. If bracket start, bracket close, and then logic. If statement they have implemented the whatever it is there, it is true, then go to inside this loop, right? So I have to start this. So what I have to write? Status dot start, and it has to come with bracket. Got it?
Yes.
If I will run this, what is going to happen now? If I will go and if I will check, it is started. Oh, something I missed it.
Think you have to write else statement or
no,
nothing required.
Nothing required. Why it is something I missed it.
So we haven't got any kind of error here. So how do we identify that there was an error here?
It will give the error. I think what happened? Why it is not taking it?
The status was not in stopped state, right? I guess it is.
No, it is. Yeah, already it is. 1 second. Yes, correct. It has to be 1 second. It is started.
You have to keep it in stopped state, then only it will pick.
No, it is stop state only. Yeah, it is gone. Okay. Stopped. It is stopped only. Okay, I have written here wrong. STOPPED. Just 1 second. Now it is running, right? So that is spelling I have given that mistake. So that's why. So it is just checking the equal to. If that is equal to stop, or whatever we are giving, it is matching with that value. If it is not match, means directly it is not doing their work. You will write anything here, it is not give the error, because that is the equal to. If it is matched with that value, go inside the loop, otherwise come out at it, right? That's why it is not giving the error. Got it or not? Because the value, this one we have typed, we can write anything here.
So even though it has to say that stop spelling is wrong or something, it has to throw.
No, why it will say, why it will say that one, we are matching it with. We have given equal to stop, or equal to, we can give anything, right?
Okay. Right.
We are matching it, no? So how you are matching that? I will show you that if and else statement, something value you have taken and you are matching with. If that value is matched with this, if it is here match, go to this loop. It is not matching, get out from loop. If I will write here if else statement, if I write here else, so if it is not match, then implement this one, then this one will work. Got it or not? Later I am going to explain you this one, this if else statement. Now I am going with if else only. Getting? So what happened if it is stopped? What it has to do? It has to start the services. So it is going and it is starting that services. Get no doubt?
Not out.
Or if you want, you can write something called if else also after that.
Yes.
Else if, and you can write else if also. You have to provide this, and you have to write. Later class, I am going to give you the all syntax, how you can declare this. Oh, like that. Got it? So I will write here dollar dot status status dot status hyphen equal to I will put
Okay.
running. If it is equal to running, what it has to go to inside this loop, and what it has to write
Host.
hyphen host. Right, host is if you want to display anything, and if you
Okay.
want to display in anything in color, you can write for background color like that. You can go with the
Right.
blue, red, whatever you
Right.
want. I will go with the blue. I can write into the blue. And what I want to display, I want to display the service name. I can write dollar dot status dot name. I'm going to, this time I'm filtering the name, and I will put into like this is, are you running? Correct. So this time what happened? It
Yes.
will match with stop. It is not match. It will go to the insider. That's why it is not given that. So it is running, right? So what happened?
Yes.
This time it is went here. It is not means this is not correct. So it is went to this loop, and it is match. If the status is really it is running, it is given this one. If that time also if it's not running, it will go out of the loop. It will implement else if means other one. So later I will show you how you can write that else if condition. So already it is there. Not now. I think day second or day third, I am going to explain you programming. That time you will see that it is there. No else if, the lot of thing I am going to loop programming, everything I am going to explain you later. Then you will understood more. Not now. I think day 3 class. So here, right? So I'm going with so now you understood. If it is stopped, if it is running, if it is stopped, go and start the services, right? So this is the, or if it is running means just it is going and it is displaying that it is running. I'm going to do some more enhancement into this script. So this time I have,
enough, sir.
sorry, I'm
Else
not
is
able
enough,
to.
right? Else is enough, right? Else if
Yeah, else is enough. Else is enough. But else if means again you want to go with this. If this is not running, right? If it is not came with equal to running, right? Something else it is there. Maybe it's went into the pending state, right? That time again it will go to, it will be get out from this loop and nothing it will display.
Okay, okay, sir.
Else means it will go to here only. Else if means again next one more you want that it is not follow with it, go with one more next step again. So we are going to explain you that all example, then you will understood more. So okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to do the more enhancement in that script, So this time what I have done, one more thing I have added here. What is I have added? If the SQL services is stopped, your PowerShell has to ask from you, really you want to start these services. Or same thing you can do with the ulta. If somebody told you to stop the services directly, if you have ran stop it directly, it will go, it will be stop the services for all server. Now I am running for only one, later you can see for the 10 server or 100 server. So if you want, you can one more verification you can add like that. So be remember this all command, right? Later once you are writing big script, that time this all small thing you have to remember. Okay, so this time what I have done, same script only, little bit more big. Later you will see like that same script only we are implementing, and this one line of script we are making the 100 lines of script. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are,
Syntax is wrong.
yeah, sorry,
Status double T. In status you have mentioned double T in the script.
that is not a problem. This is the variable. So which variable I will take here, that one I name I have given. So you can take any variable. No, you can use a also here.
Yeah, only we can
That
use
is any variable. That is not a, so where you are using what, you have to use here also same. You have to use everywhere is same, right? But that is this spelling should not have to wrong.
Yeah.
Because that is the variable, no doubt.
Yes,
Okay,
no doubt.
so I am giving one my services here. So what it is going to do, what it is going to do, if the status it is, so it will go, it will check if the status is equal to stop. it is going to be asked the question, you want to start or not. So first I will stop this services only. So just I will run this. So see here, it is asking your SQL server is not running, you want to start. If I will press yes, it will go and it is started. So how this logic has been written? So what is the meaning of this means? Till here, no doubt. One variable, we have taken that value, we are matching with this. This is stop. If it is stopped, it's went inside that loop, right? So what is the meaning of this means? If I will read host, if I will put read host and you are giving any value, so what happened? This will take as a answer y or no or anything. So see here. So if I will run read host means you can save the any value in y or n only. If I will give here any variable $ABC is equal to read host. If I will run this now, and I am giving what? I'm passing my parameter value y here. So what happened? Now, if I will go and if I will run ABC here, so you will see the value will be stored either y or either n into this.
Okay, if you pass the value apart from y and n, what will happen here?
You will see that what is that? Nothing will happen. D will be, I think it is saved here. D. It is going to save the D. So that time you have to save anything because we want to start means yes, we want to stop and means and. So what value you will pass, that value will be stored into that variable. I have given y and n, yes or no, like that. So what happened? Here it will save y, and again I am writing the script. If that value is equal to y, then go and start the services. Got it? So one more step I have added in my script here. No doubt. Hello.
Yeah, no
Yes,
doubt.
looking good. Yeah.
Okay. So what happened? If I want to start the services, it will one more of verification I have given. Yes, it went here. It will start that. And it will write there. Then again we are it is writing this is means it is started and then it is writing this services is running, right? But it's not checking. Next step we will write that logic also. Logic means it is started. So if you have started any services, you can't tell if it is a started means it will be running only. It will run only. Maybe it will go for pending state also, right? Once you will start the services, you have to verify also. But here I am not verifying, right? I am restarting and I am thinking this is in the running state only, right? Correct or wrong? You are understanding now what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes,
I
I
have
understood.
started, but I'm not verifying that services is started or not, right? So here in next step, I will add one more line here. Verify that I have started, verify the PowerShell, really it is started. If it is started, then display this one. Okay. And if it is not equal to stop, directly go to else if and check if status is running directly, right? In green, it is running. In this way, you have any doubt into the bracket and all that time, what you can do, you can install Notepad++. You can go with the Notepad++, and then what you do, you can go with the new one. You can go with where is language, then go with P and you go with PowerShell and then paste your script here. So easily you can identify there is something called scope, right? So if I'm pressing here, automatically it is telling if condition will satisfy, it will be go and it will implement this much of thing. If else, if this condition will not work, means directly it will go with else and it is going to work with this too. You know, got it, no? So sometime you will get lot of confusion, like which bracket is for which bracket, right? Or what is the scope of this programming. So you can work with Notepad++. So it will be very easy for you to understand. So if I click here, automatically it will tell this bracket is this bracket. Even it is here also that bracket is there, right? But this bracket will come into this one. This bracket will this two inside that. The scope of this is this two line. Getting, no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I am going with
Yes.
one more script now. Here, what we are going to do, if my services has been started, it has to verify, and then it has to that verification, that one I am adding into that. I'm making now little bit more big script. Now I have started just one line script. Now we are making multiple of line. And later we are going to change this because now we are hard coding this. Nobody will give you this service name, right? All will give the host name / instance name. Later I will tell you how to do that. So now so here what happened? It is checking the services. If the status is equal to stop, what it will do? It will go, it will be asking your question.
Asking to start.
You are giving yes, it is going here, starting the services, and here this line has been added. Now what is doing? If the status is not equal to stop, means not equal to stop means it is started, I'm thinking, right? If it is not equal to stop means right hope the services has started. So this time I have verified. Before that script I was not verifying. I was starting and directly I was displaying this result. This time I have started and I have verified, right? And if that status is not equal to stop, something different it will come. So what is happening? It will write like failed to start. Or if you are pressing N, what is happen? Else, okay, I will put into the notepad ++, then you will understood more. So go with the first scope here. Means if the status is equal to stop, it is going to perform this much of thing. If that status is equal to running, directly it will go here, right? Correct? The status is running. If you are writing yes, it will go here, it will start the services, it will check, and it will write here services has been started, right? For this if loop. If that if will not work, if means you have selected yes, means what is happened? It will go inside that. If you have selected no, directly it will come here. Skip it. So nothing will be going to be performed. So now I will run this. I will, it is stopped or what? I will stop this first. So what happened now? If I am running this, if I'm giving yes, it is trying to start, is checked, and then it is displayed. Services has started successfully. If I'm going to give stop once again, and if I'm going to give here, this time N, what happened? It will go to the other loop and it is displayed. You have selected N, so skip process to start or something you want, you can display that, right? No doubt in this script also.
Yes.
Okay, so now what we are going to do in that
But
script,
we do get
sorry,
it.
hear your voice.
Yeah, we do get message if services are not started successfully, right? There is an option there you have mentioned in the script.
Sorry, guy, I am not able to hear you guys. Anybody is understanding? Can you repeat it for me?
No, voice is not clear actually.
It is totally not clear. I can't hear you. You can ping me now.
Yeah, you
Sir,
can ping us.
Yes, please.
if a service is not started successfully, there is an option, right? You have mentioned in the script that it is failed to restart the services.
Okay.
So wherein means so PowerShell tried to start the services successfully, but if it could not start the services, then it will display this statement, correct?
Yes. It will go to that loop. If it is matched with that, if it is not equal to stop, means it is started. Means if it is not able to start, it will go to that loop and it will be display that it is failed to start. Failed to start means you started and it is not running. Got it?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So this. So again, one more thing, guys, you are understanding, no, whatever I am teaching. So here what you have to do, I have written one script. This script, if it is SQL Server is not running, go and start, right? What is your work? You do this two script, how you have to implement, do with ulta. If because in the real time your work will come before the either maintenance work or either PDT work, please go and stop this services. That time what you have to do, you have to stop the services. You have to write the script in the ulta fashion. If the SQL services is running, you have to stop, right? One thing. Second thing, if you are stopping that SQL server, what you are doing, SQL server will, if it is the cluster mode, that time it will be in manual state, right? If it is the in cluster. If it is the standalone server, it will be there in the automatic mode only, right? Once you are stopping the services, you are making it disable state, right? That one you are doing or not?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10 minutes again, it will be log off. So what you are doing, you are stopping and disabling. So I have written the logic, just go and start, right? You have to write, if it is running, stop, and after stopping, disable the services, put into the disable. And if you are starting the services, is first enable the services, then start the services. 4 or 5 script. Correct? guys.
Yeah, got it.
Got it? No, what
Yes,
you have to
yes,
implement?
yes.
I have just given the example for if the services is running. If the services is not running, start it. You have to write if the services is running, stop the services. If it is going to stop, not only the stop, you have to put it to the disable
Disable.
state. And if you are
Disable
starting
state.
services, it has to enable, then start the
Enable
service.
and start the service.
Correct. This all you have to learn. Even I have already written the logic, because here many people will be many classes I'm taking, so all will write and all will give. So someone has already given it how to disable, how to enable it. So already script is there, but you try with that. So can I stop the class now here only, because later I think one more class is pending. There I am going to pass the parameter value. So how to pass the parameter value in the horizontal or vertical. So that time I am going to take some notepad, and then we are going to pass the value. So later class we are going to see. So I think because today also I am not able to complete the day one class, so maybe tomorrow day one class will be completed. So tomorrow class again I will take. Okay, guys.
Because
Okay.
actually, I have one question. Actually, I have this is my first class. I have missed, I guess, 2 classes. So how we can
No, you have
classes?
missed only one class. Video is already available. So now for 2 and 3 day class, I'm not restricting anything. Anyone can watch that all video. After 2 or 3 day class only, I'm going to restrict that. Right after
Okay,
three
after
class,
3 classes.
yeah, after 3 class, and one more thing, after 3 class, who has paid the money, that only that person will only able to join. So 2-3 class I'm giving the free only. You go and see if you are have. Sir, can we get the script as well? Yes, you will get the script today. I will send that all script. Yesterday I was not
Okay.
taking the in class, that's why I have not sent. So all script you will get, and this some of the script you can see get services. These are the PowerShell. It means I have saved .ps1 file. I will rechange, because if the .ps1 file will be there, I will not able to send. So what I will do, I will change this to ps1 to notepad file. Right, I will send the all script, so you can do that practical in your home. Right. So today I will send that all along with the video. So tomorrow class I am going to take again tomorrow class, and after that I will 3 days I am not going to take the class. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Tuesday I will continue. So tomorrow anyhow I will complete the day one class, guys. So who has attending this class, please, if the email address is not mentioned for me, please ping me email address, or you can call me in my mobile number 9632762817, because once I will get your number, then only I will add you in my WhatsApp group. Then easily you will get that all this one. So you can verify your email address again. If anyone who is not added here, please tell me now. And Rahul, you have not given your mobile number. Please tell me. I will add here. And Sudhir also. Sudhir is joined or not, I don't know. So just 2 people is not given the mobile number. I think he is not there. Okay, fine, guys. Are you happy with today class?
Yeah, definitely
Yes.
happy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually, yesterday I was working on one of the requirement from my company. That's read from the notepad file few servers and check it's always on primary server. Yeah, it's a secondary server. So something
Okay.
like that. If you can just guide us regarding the same, so that will be useful for me.
Okay. I will guide you, but not now, because I'm teaching in that format, right? So next
Yeah.
class I'm going to teach you how you can read that from the notepad first, right? Then I will show you how you
Yeah.
can implement this. So easily you can do it. It is not very big task. It's very simple task. After finishing this 15-day class,
Only you need to check. Yeah, it's a primary server. It's a secondary server. Read from
yes,
the
yes.
notepad file. I will put the multiple.
Yeah. I will tell you first. You have to know that how the PowerShell will read the notepad file, and how the server has to be declared. So tomorrow classes, your half work will be done, right?
Okay.
So day after tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, after that you only you can implement that. So don't worry. After, give me just 4-day time. After 4-day time, that whatever is simple requirement, whatever you are getting, no, you will itself you will be able to implement.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys, who has okay, 1 second. Okay, time is 8:32. So I'm stopping my sharing now. So sharing is
So I
already.
have one question.
Yes, please.
So yesterday you said that set execution policy, no, about that.
Yes.
So set execution policy has to be done in each and every server, or else what?
Each and every server has to be enable that. Then only it will work. Not in
Okay.
one server.
So
So if you are running any script for the 10 server, my screen was sharing, no, that time, because I can't see. You are seeing my script, right? Whatever I was implementing, that all.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I
Yes,
don't know
yes,
then
yes.
how it.
You can stop your recording if when discussing in the last.
Okay, okay, simply it is.